Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can use Excel and generate some graphs from it. So this is my new Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet we take some names and we'll have some subjects. Okay, so Mr. X got 80 in maths, 75 in biology and 65 in English. Mr. Y got 75 in maths, 95 in biology and English. Okay, Mr. Z, he got 90 in maths, 74 in biology and 85 in English. So this is more or less our table, and so we'll make some formatting. So let's do some formatting and it will look nice. So now we'll insert a graph. So we click on insert and then we will select a graph. Okay, and after this graph we'll select the data. We click on this small arrow. We'll just select this one, and now as you can see, so this is for Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z. So we can also do something like a switch row or column. So now as you can see, Mr. X got, it will show Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z. So I believe this one will be more appropriate, so we can know like how is the maths going on, biology going on, what is going on. So let's click on OK and your chart is ready. So here we can do something. You can change the layout of the chart, and as you can see it looks good. You can also change the colors, and also you can change the chart type. So as you can see, there are lots of chart types. This one looks quite nice. So let's see if we click on OK. So you can see like Mr. X got in the pie chart. You can see Mr. got 80, and this one English got 65, and biology got 75. You can also change the rose colors and everything. Okay, and you can also see lots of other kind of, so this one is pretty nice. So as you can see, so it's in the color pool. Mr. X got 75, Mr. X got 74, and maths was 90. So this is a very good representation. So from this tutorial, you have learned how to create a table and how you can create a chart from it. Hope you like our video, and I will request you to subscribe to our channel. I usually post very useful tutorial, and I believe it will help you a lot. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.